Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to our kitchen. What do we have again? Today I call it braided Atchomon. This is a snack that is very common with Africa. It's very crispy and different countries call it different names. In my country, I call it chin chin. So I would like you to tell us what your country calls these snacks. These very snacks is very special because of its nature. It is braided, and it is very crispy. So if today is your first time to this channel, a warm welcome to you. This is Kelekitchen, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to watch all our videos. You mean so much to me. Yes, without wasting much of your time, these are the list of the ingredients that we are going to use to make these very crispy snacks. To a clean mixing bowl, I add my flour, and then I added the sugar. After the sugar, I added the baking powder and also the salt. So after adding the salt, the dry ingredients, you go ahead, you mix everything to combine well. Then after mixing, I added the butter. Then after the butter, you use your clean hands to mix it together until it forms a crumbs mixture like a sand. So after that, now you start to add your water. Then you go ahead and add the water bit by bit. Add also your vanilla flavor. I forgot to add vanilla flavor when I was mixing. I later added it towards the end. So when you finish, then the water will be bit by bit to make sure that everything is well combined. Don't over add the water, just gradually add and mix, If you are still watching up to this moment, I would like you to subscribe to our video, click on the notification bell to on it so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Like this video, share it to your loved ones if you see that this video is very helpful. Yes, remember that we are not kneading. This is just to bring all the ingredients together so that they will be combined together. So just go ahead, bring them together, and after that, you will put it aside for 20 minutes to rest before we go to cut. And I would like you to tell us where you are watching our video from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yes, and today's shout out goes to Joyce and Daniel, watching all the way from the city of Abuja. And another shout out goes to Precious Ogege C3K. Yes, and another shout out goes to Helen Yummy Recipe. This is the vanilla I told you I forgot, so I added it and kneaded it back again. So after resting for 20 minutes your dough, this is time for us to cut the dough. So on your workplace, divide the dough into 4 parts, and then we will start to cut and shape it before frying. So I normally use my fingers to shaping the dough, arrange it to the form I would like it before kneading. So with your roller, just go ahead and roll it to a rectangular shape. Then after that, with my pizza cutter or with a knife, just go ahead and cut the dough as demonstrated in this video. So after that, I took out 3 of them. I sealed the edges in the beginning. As you can see here, just watch what I'm doing. Then after, I start braiding the dough. So just braid it gradually, slow and steady, like I say, wins the race. So just braid until you get to the end, and then after that you seal it with your fingers. See how it looks. I'll do it again the second time. So take out 3 of these doughs, you cut them. After then, you will seal it in the beginning, then you braid it. Go ahead, line by line, braid and braid. See how I demonstrated it with your finger? You arrange as you braid, and that is why we call it braided Atchomon. In my country, I call it chin chin. So I would like you to tell us in the comment section what your country calls this. If you are not a lover of snacks, from this shape, it will invite you to come and eat. So go ahead and cut and braid all the dough. In your frying pan, preheat the oil to a medium heat. After that, you go ahead and step by step fry this chin chin Atchomon. Yeah. So take it easy with the hot oil, fry it until it is golden brown, and then it is ready to be served. If you are still watching up to this moment, I would like you to go to the comment section and type braided Atchomon. Yeah. So as you can see, we are frying it on a medium heat. Don't fry it on a low heat so that it will not suck all the oil in the pan. So on a medium heat, gradually fry, and it is good. Just look at that, how it is looking golden Atchomon. Very, very crunchy, very, very inviting. This is the snacks that you will not resist, even from mere looking. So go ahead and fry the rest. This very batch, I cut it into smaller sizes. Yay! Just look at that, how it's looking. Very, very crispy and very delicious. Yeah, just check it out. I know you will gonna try this. Yeah, just check it out. You can hear the sound. Can you hear the crunchiness? This is so good. It tasted so good. I know that you will try it. Yeah. If you are still watching up to this moment and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, share this video to your loved ones, like it. And with a plastic bag, I packaged it. It can serve as a business idea for you. Your children can take it to school for snacks. You can take it to work with your soft drink, with your chilled drink, any drink of your choice. You are good to go. Just enjoy it. And in a tight container, just package it. It can last for 1 month. Yes, that's true. And this is the end of our video for today. Thank you very much for watching our video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.